So the company is founded by Thomas, Boris and me, and we started it off as a PhD project from Boris.
In my PhD we decided that we wanted to develop a vision testing device. So the main topic of my PhD was the development of the optokinetic testing device.
I wanted to have an objective way of testing the animal's vision, comparing it before treatment, before disease, after disease, things like that.
We were growing out of university, being a university startup, and growing up in a company basically selling the optogram. So this was our key product in the beginning. Now we are growing more into selling products that are relevant for vision researchers in a wider area across the world.
Well, the vision of Striatech is to give tools to the researcher that they can use and that will make their life easier and that will produce reliable and good and objective data.
I mean, we want to try to be the expert on the products. We want to try to be approachable for our researchers. So it's not just about delivering a device, but also making sure they get the most out of it.
So that is yet another rewarding aspect of interacting with the customers, the scientists, talking to them on eye level, discussing it, getting their feedback, getting their appreciation. That is very rewarding.
I've been working in sales a little bit more than 10 years, and I worked in different industries and where different target groups were addressed. And I have to say that working with neuroscientists is very, very pleasant.
One of the most positive things was to see over the last years that the name of the company was getting known more and more. This was really amazing.
I'm glad that we receive really good feedback on our Journal Club series. Because I think it's a great platform that shows how our devices are used in various research applications. But I also think this platform contributes to the science community.
So the neuroscience faculty in Tübingen has a very good reputation, and also in the vision research field, Tübingen is really strong. So we stayed in Tübingen because by this we can be in close touch with the community and the scientific field.
I find the work with our international partners very valuable. It's interesting to see how things get done over there and what is important to them. It's great how you can rely on our partners and to see things growing together.
For us, it's really amazing that we have made it for 5 years and we're in a very good, profitable situation.
The goal of Striatech is to continue to support the researchers in their work.
And I'm really looking forward for the next 5 years.